Hi everyone. In this video we're going to cover how to find the right cheap web domain hosting and of course to search for the best deal out there. Now when it comes to website hosting, the big question always is cheap equals bad. Now that's not always the case. It's not always an indication for quality, although in some cases when an unrecognized hosting company, it doesn't mean that you're gonna know all hosting companies. Most of them are unknown till you need them. But some of them, if they look kind of sketchy or they look kind of old in their design, maybe try to avoid them. Now, look at the features. What kind of features they're offering you? Is it good bundle or bad bundle? Do they have 24/7 customer service? Maybe they're just a reseller or they have their own servers. Is the company just something that popped up a day ago, or maybe it's an old company? Now, if it's an old company, let's say a few years back, even 2, 3 years is fine when it comes to technology, but let's say it's 5 years old, but you look at the site and it looks like, I don't know, your grandfather did it back in 1800s. Maybe that's not the company for you. How many clients do they have? Maybe some of them actually tell you on the homepage they're proud of it. Now, these are good indications. So cheap is not always does not always mean it's bad. We found some great deals in Hosting Marker that are dirt cheap. They're less than a cup of coffee per month, and they're amazing in their content and the bundles that you get. So, of course, show me the money. What kind of bonuses do you get? Are they real ones or the fake ones? When it comes to real ones or fake ones, we're talking about something like Shopping Channel. If a company tells you that you get for say um, Google Tools within the bundle, it's not really a bonus because Google Tools are is actually free. Okay, it's free for everyone. So a real bonus would be, let's say, a domain for life, or real bonus would be credits with Google, Yahoo, or MSN when it comes to online PPC advertisement and so on. So these are real bonuses. All right, now when it comes to control panel, this is really important. We recommend you to go for two of the main things. cPanel is the main one, the most famous one. There are some companies that have their own custom-made control panels. Some of them are like um, the known ones are 1&1, and other ones like GoDaddy and so on. But what do we mean when it comes to control panel? For those of you who don't really know the term, um, hosting is just a parking space, nothing more, but a sophisticated parking space. A lot of, in order for you to throw a site in and manipulate different kind of things in it, you need to know code. You need to write code. So in order for you to avoid that and do things in an easy way with just click and just click, drag, drop, or maybe add things, it could be uh, um, maybe, well, you get the point. So Fantastico is another thing that you might be looking if you want to go for scripts. If you have your own coder programmer, then it's not big of a thing. But if you're not that of a big techie and you want to throw your WordPress on it, a blog, for example, for say, or maybe a forum, that's a good thing to have. Bonuses, we touched that before, but when it comes to bonuses, don't get distracted. Some companies throw big signs, big rings and bells when it comes to bonuses. So here are cool ones to search for. Free domain for life. Yep, some companies actually offer that. So instead of you buying a domain at some really cheap company and then you found really cheap hosting and then the headache of transferring the two, some cool companies, let's say iPage or Just Host, offer that to certain providers. If you check out our site, you can find all the deals there at Hosting Marker. Now, some of them offer marketing coupons. Most of them do, but depends on the amounts. Website builders. This is a cool feature for those of you who are not really techie and don't really want to mess around with a programmer. I don't have the budget for that. You just want to throw a template, a prepared one, or do it yourself, kind of WYSIWYG, what you see is what you get. So that's a good option for you. And of course, SEO tools. These are some of the features. It might be that not always you're going to get all of them, but having some of them is also good. All right, so if you go to our site, you can actually see different, if you have different needs, let's say you're looking for really cheap ones or green hosting you want, you're looking for business hosting, we categorize all of these and we did all the legwork for you. We tried to really look for flaws, cons, pros in each server, each company, and see and choose the one that has the best bundle for you guys. So if you have special needs or just want to check for the best deals, you can always go for our site at hostingmarker.com. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And if you liked it, you can always rate it or post a comment to help, and that will actually help everyone.